Hey guys, you're going to learn on how to compress PDF file size, and all you have to do is to open your web browser, and from here you are going to make sure that you have searched for small PDF. As you can see, I've already searched for mine, and we are going to click on Flukeshire. You're going to continue with our Google account. And then while you're here, we are going to click on the upload, or we are going to just select or click on our file manager, and we are going to look for the PDF that we would like to compress. Then we're going to select it, hold it, and then drag it to this place, or we can just click on upload. We're going to add on where our PDF is saved. And then let's say I would like to use this one. And then we're going to wait for the file to be uploaded. Once we're here, we are going to tap on the three dots, and then we are either going to download it, or we are going to compress the PDF, which we are going to do it right now. We're going to wait for our file to be ready. So from here, we can either choose for our file to be on a basic or a strong one. So I'm going to choose a strong one. Then I'm going to click on compress. So once our PDF has been compressed, I'm going to wait for it to load. Or in the case that you're here high, you can just either click on the export as either Word or Excel, or you can just click on download, in which if we clicked on this arrow, we can either save to small PDF, save to Dropbox, or save to Google Drive. So for me, I'm going to click on download PDF. From there, I'm going to choose what I want to save my compressed PDF, and as you can see, it's already done. Once we click on this icon, we are going to be able to see the compressed PDF. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.